Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to start dropshipping of video game accessories. So to know better about it, we will read an article on earlydropship.com. So without wasting much more time, let's go and read the article. Do you want to dropship video game accessories and gear? Here are 60 product ideas. Sorry. Um, where were we? Yes, table of contents. So I don't think so. We should read it. We are moving forward to the paragraph. 64% of adults and 70% of those under 18 in the US alone play video games regularly. Today, people play video games on personal computers, consoles, and mobile devices. Single player and multiplayer games, action games, RPGs, strategies, simulators, there are games for everyone. Moreover, because of COVID-19 pandemic, people all over the world got more free time trapped at home. Many of them entertained themselves with games. No wonder the video game industry thrived in 2020. With all this in mind, it's a good idea to dropship video games accessories and gear. In this article, I'm going to share a selection of products you can find on AliExpress to fill the inventory of a dropshipping store built around this niche. But first, let's talk about why you should focus on video game accessories and gear rather than on games. Why you shouldn't try dropshipping games. One could think that nowadays everyone downloads games via the internet. However, the number of digital downloads exceeds the physical copies for the first time only in 2020. And again, it was largely due to the virus outbreak. There are many reasons why some gamers still prefer buying discs. Installing a game from a disc takes much less time than downloading it, especially if you live in a country with a slow internet connection. Besides, in a brick and mortar store, you can pay with cash. Since most kids don't have credit cards, it's definitely a better choice. And finally, many stores sell discs with decent discounts. Nevertheless, one can't deny that the video game market is going online, and there are no signs this trend will change. It means that a lot of games are sold on huge platforms like Steam or Epic Games Store. Alternatively, no, w- any sorry. Alternatively, one can download a game directly from a distributor's website. Additionally, this is only the way to get most MMO games. Even consoles have your own platforms where gamers can buy games. Video game accessories and gear for your dropshipping business. Many gamers require accuracy and control. Even the slightest movement is important. That's why people who play shooter and action games buying gaming mice. These devices give better control. Besides, using gaming mice feels much more comfortable and allows you to play for hours. Gaming keyboards. Playing a game is kind of like playing the guitar. You use two hands for a single combined action, so naturally, gaming keyboards are another product type that your dropshipping store must have. The sensitivity of the keys, their layout, even LED lights, which gamers love so much. All this can make a huge difference for a gamer. Game controllers. If you want to dropship games gear, you can't do without game controllers. While some games are better played with a mouse and keyboard, sometimes a controller or joystick is must. For example, most sport games and flight simulators feel much better when you play with the controller. Controller skins. Another product for a gaming dropshipping store is a controller skin. People like customizing their stuff both in games and in real life. Controller skins are affordable goods that come in numerous variations and can easily trigger impulse purchases, an ideal product for dropshipping. Laptop desk and cooling stand. As you can see, the demand for laptop stands is on the rise. Some gamers like old gamers that don't require powerful computers, others are purchasing laptops in any case. Using a laptop desk makes playing and working more comfortable. Another option is to dropship cooling stands. You probably know that laptops overheat easily when they are placed on a flat surface, so these stands with passive or active cooling are quite popular. That was some products that you can start dropshipping. So I hope you've got the idea about dropshipping of video game accessories. So I hope you've understood it about it. That's it for today's video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. See you. Allah.